So how do you make a guy fall in love with you? 4 points. Point number 1, be realistic and don't waste your time. Do you have a chance with this dude? Is he even attracted to you? Men are very obvious. He should give you symbols, and if he doesn't, then don't pursue it. 2 is your appearance, your style, and thus your personal brand. By a personal brand, I mean, who are you? What's your swag? Your political views, your way of thinking, your way of dressing. And if you want to be a bit extra and try and pursue that guy, like us guys do all the time for girls, then how can you align that with his and make sure you're the kind of girl that he's into? Number 3 is make jokes and attempt to be funny. So you don't have to always be confident or outgoing, but even a shy, cute type needs to show she's got a sense of humour and that she's going to be fun to be with, and that's extremely attractive. And point number 4, make him work for it. So don't be too easy. Men and humans in general love a challenge, and if we can get something too easily, then we deem it has no value and move on to a harder challenge.